Have you ever wondered how Jamaica, the land of reggae, jerk chicken, and Usain Bolt, manages its economy? No? Well, you're about to find out. Picture this: a land kissed by the sun, blessed with fertile soil and vibrant culture, pulsating to the rhythm of reggae. This is Jamaica, a place where the spirit of resilience is as strong as the aromatic Blue Mountain coffee that grows in its rich soil. But let's shift our focus from the intoxicating music and mouth-watering food to something equally fascinating: Jamaica's economy. It's a tale of transformation, from an economy once focused on agriculture to one that now thrives on services, with a little help from its natural resources and favorable climate. It's a journey marked by the discovery of bauxite, shifts in trade relationships, and a constant tussle with challenges such as financial sector issues and low investment levels. Despite these hurdles, Jamaica has been dancing to its own economic tune, making strides in economic reform, encouraging foreign investment, and leveraging its tourism potential. Yet, like any good dance, it's not without its missteps and stumbles. So, buckle up as we dive into the colorful and rhythmic world of Jamaica's economy. Imagine a time when Jamaica's economy was sweeter than a sugarcane field in full bloom. Yes, folks, that was a time. There was a period in Jamaica's economic history when sugar wasn't just a sweet treat, but the lifeblood of the economy. Picture vast plantations of sugarcane swaying gently in the Caribbean breeze, and workers toiling away to harvest and process the cane into sugar. This sweet commodity was then shipped off to faraway lands, earning Jamaica a pretty penny in the process. Bananas, too, played a significant role in the agricultural era of Jamaica's economy. The tropical climate and fertile soil were perfect for growing this popular fruit, and Jamaica soon became one of the world's leading banana exporters. It was a time when the economy was literally ripe with opportunities, and the sweet scent of success wafted through the air. But as they say, change is the only constant, and this was indeed the case for Jamaica. In the 1940s, an unexpected discovery would dramatically shift the focus of Jamaica's economy. Beneath the lush green landscapes, there lay a treasure far more valuable than sugarcane or bananas. This treasure was bauxite, a reddish-brown, clay-like substance that is the world's main source of aluminum. Bauxite was a game-changer for Jamaica. It was found in abundance, and the demand for aluminum was high. The mining and processing of bauxite became a significant part of the economy, bringing in substantial revenue and providing employment opportunities. It was a new era, one that moved away from the sweet simplicity of agriculture to the hard, complex world of mining. And it wasn't just the economy that changed. The landscape, too, was transformed as sugarcane fields gave way to bauxite mines. It was a shift that brought prosperity, but not without its challenges. Issues such as environmental degradation and displacement of communities came to the forefront, reminding us that progress often comes at a price. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the remarkable journey of Jamaica's economy. A journey that took it from the sweet fields of sugarcane and banana plantations to the rugged bauxite mines. A journey that continues to shape the island nation's destiny. And just like that, Jamaica went from sweet sugarcane to hard, shiny bauxite. When you think of service, you might think of a fancy restaurant. But in Jamaica, service has a whole different meaning. Consider the scene: miles of sandy beaches, warm sun, and the gentle rhythm of reggae in the background. It's a paradise, right? Well, it's also a major pillar of Jamaica's economy. We're talking about tourism, of course, a sector that has thrived thanks to the island's natural beauty and vibrant culture. But the growth of tourism didn't happen overnight. It was a transition, a shift from an economy that was once heavily reliant on agriculture. Picture vast fields of sugarcane and banana plantations, stretching as far as the eye could see. But as the world changed, so did Jamaica. The discovery of bauxite in the 40s began to move the economic focus away from agriculture. And as the decades rolled on, services started to take center stage. Now it's not just about tourism. Jamaica's service sector is a multifaceted gem. Financial services have also carved out a significant niche. You see, the government has been making efforts to encourage foreign investment and stimulate economic activity through privatization. This has led to improvements in the business environment and credit rating, making Jamaica an attractive destination for international finance. But the service sector is not just about big business. It's also about the people, the workers who make it all happen. From the hotel staff who ensure your vacation is a dream come true, to the financial experts who navigate the complex world of international finance, these are the people who drive the service sector. They are the face of Jamaica's economic transformation. And let's not forget about the other service sectors. Telecommunications, for instance, has seen significant growth, connecting Jamaica to the world, and providing opportunities for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. And then there's the creative industry, where Jamaica's rich culture and talent pool have found a global stage. But it's not just about the economy. This shift towards services has also had social implications. With the rise of the service sector, new skills and training are needed. This has led to opportunities for education and development, helping to reduce unemployment and create a more equitable society. So, the next time you enjoy a luxurious Jamaican vacation, remember, you're also contributing to their economy. And it's not just about spending money, it's about supporting a nation that has embraced change and is working towards a prosperous future. So whether you're sipping a cocktail on a beach or investing in a Jamaican business, you're playing a part in this Caribbean nation's story. But it's not all sunshine and reggae in Jamaica's economic journey. Every paradise has its challenges. As we delve deeper into the economic landscape of Jamaica, it becomes evident that even this Caribbean paradise grapples with its share of trials and tribulations. One of the most pressing issues is the challenges faced by the financial sector. In an economy heavily reliant on services, the financial sector's health is crucial. However, it often finds itself in a precarious position due to fluctuating global markets and domestic constraints, making the path to stability an uphill task. Low investment levels also pose a significant challenge to Jamaica's economy. The country needs substantial investment to fuel growth, modernize infrastructure, and create employment opportunities. However, attracting foreign investors has been a struggle. This is partly due to the perception of risk associated with investing in developing nations, and also because of the country's past economic instability. Speaking of employment, high unemployment rates, particularly among the youth, are another hurdle Jamaica has to face. Despite having a skilled labor force and strong governance indicators, job creation has not kept pace with the growing population. This disparity between the number of jobs available and the number of people seeking work has led to a high unemployment rate, creating social and economic challenges. Then there's the issue of crime. It's no secret that Jamaica has been battling high crime rates for decades. This not only affects the quality of life for Jamaicans, but also hampers economic growth. Investors often view high crime rates as a sign of instability, which can deter investment and hamper economic development. Moreover, the agricultural sector, once the backbone of the economy, faces its own set of challenges. Extreme weather events, spurred on by climate change, pose a significant threat to the agricultural industry. Add to that competition from neighboring countries, and it becomes clear that farming in Jamaica is no easy feat. In addition, it's worth mentioning that the tourism industry, a vital part of the economy, is not immune to challenges either. From global events like pandemics to local issues like environmental conservation, the sector has to navigate a complex web of challenges to stay afloat. Jamaica, like any other nation, has its hurdles, but it's how they leap over them that makes the story interesting. You've heard of Jamaica's past and present, but what about the future? What does the crystal ball say about Jamaica's economy? Let's dive into the road ahead, shall we? Jamaica's economic journey is like a river carving its path through the mountains. It's winding, it's challenging, but it's also creating something beautiful. The government is taking strides to stimulate economic activity, and this comes in a variety of forms. First, there's the issue of raising sovereign debt. Like a careful gardener nurturing a seedling, the government is tending to this delicate matter. Increasing sovereign debt is like adding fertilizer. It's a necessary step to ensure healthy growth. But just as too much fertilizer can harm a plant, too much debt can overwhelm an economy. It's a balancing act, and one that the government is committed to getting right. Then, there's the push for foreign investment. Picture a bustling marketplace filled with potential buyers. That's what the government is hoping to create. An economic environment that's attractive to investors from around the globe. From tax incentives to improved infrastructure, efforts are being made to roll out the red carpet for potential investors. This influx of foreign capital can stimulate growth and create jobs, helping to uplift the Jamaican economy. And let's not forget tourism, the jewel in Jamaica's economic crown. With its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Jamaica has always been a magnet for tourists. The government is keen on polishing this jewel, promoting Jamaica as a must-visit destination. Initiatives are in place to enhance the tourism experience, from improving local attractions to ensuring visitor safety. But what are some promising sectors on the horizon? Well, agriculture has always been a key part of Jamaica's economy, and with the global demand for organic and sustainable produce on the rise, Jamaica's farms have a bright future. The country's fertile soils and favorable climate are ideal for growing a variety of crops, from sugar and bananas to coffee and cocoa. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt sustainable practices, adding another feather to Jamaica's economic cap. Moreover, the tech industry is another potential goldmine. With a pool of skilled labor and a growing interest in digital innovation, Jamaica could soon become a hub for tech startups. Imagine that, a Caribbean Silicon Valley. So that's the road Jamaica's economy is headed down. It's not without its potholes, but the destination sure looks promising. From nurturing debt and attracting foreign investment to promoting tourism and exploring new sectors, Jamaica's economic journey is shaping up to be an exciting one. And as they say in Jamaica, we lickle but we talawa. We may be small, but we're strong and fearless. Let's watch this space and see where the road takes us. Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, from sugarcane fields to bauxite mines, and from service sectors to the future roadmap. This journey of ours through the heart of Jamaica's economy has been both enlightening and invigorating. We've seen how the island's economic narrative has evolved, from the sweet dominance of sugarcane to the rich seams of bauxite that brought a shift in the nation's fortunes in the 40s. We've delved into the service sector that now forms the backbone of Jamaica's economy, buoyed by the island's natural resources and the tropical climate that beckons tourists from around the globe. The government's efforts to raise sovereign debt, encourage foreign investment, and stimulate economic activity through privatization and tourism have all painted a picture of a nation striving for progress, even in the face of adversity. The challenges that Jamaica faces are not insubstantial. We've discussed the hurdles in the financial sector, the struggle with low investment levels, and the social issues such as high unemployment and crime rates. Yet, Jamaica's resilience in dealing with these challenges is as robust as a cup of its world-famous Blue Mountain coffee. We've also acknowledged the significant role agriculture continues to play in Jamaica's economy. Despite extreme weather and competition from neighboring countries, the island continues to export key products like sugar, bananas, coffee, and cocoa. And finally, we've looked ahead at the road that stretches before Jamaica. The economic reforms that have led to improvements in the business environment and credit rating are promising indicators of things to come. Yes, economic growth remains low, but the rhythm of Jamaica's steady progress is as unmistakable as the beat of a reggae drum. And that, folks, is the rhythmic and vibrant journey of Jamaica's economy. Who knew economics could be as flavorful as a jerk chicken, right? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.